interesting and easy to make legume soup with yogurt to save the day. Yoğurtlu bakliyat çorbası. This is Ayşenur Altan. I'm also going to give you 3 more Turkish yogurt soup ideas. I'm going to use 4 different legumes, each 2 tablespoons. I have rice, green lentils, red lentils, and bulgur. Instead of bulgur, you can also use cracked barley or any type of wheat that cooks quickly. I'm gonna bring them together, wash and drain. Going to simply boil everything in a medium-sized soup pan with 1 liter of cold water. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. A small hint: if there is a foam happens on top of the legumes, you can collect and discharge them. Then if you use at your chicken stock or meat broth to give an extra flavor. I made my stock from marrow bones. It is very simple and healthy way to give more flavor and richness to your soups or stews. While they are cooking, I'm gonna prepare my sauce for the soup, heating medium-sized pot and dicing 1 medium-sized onion. In my dishes, I always use mix of butter and either olive or vegetable oil. But if you want to make your soup vegetarian, just simply skip using the stock and add only vegetable oil. To thicken and bind my soup, I'm gonna make another mixture with yogurt. I have homemade 1 cup whole milk yogurt, adding 1 egg and 1 heaped tablespoon flour. Whisk until everything is combined, and we're gonna need to warm the mixture before adding back to our soup to prevent curdling. To my sauteing onion, I'm also going to add roughly chopped 3 cloves of garlic. To warm my yogurt mix, I'm drizzling from the water of the soup while whisking continuously. After you can feel the mixture that it is warm, you can put back to the pan. As you can see, I'm also stirring the soup while adding back the yogurt mixture. This way it will be silky smooth. I continue to simmer my soup until it is bubbly and thick. If it is thicker, you can add some hot water and check the consistency. Back to my sauteed onion and garlic mixture, I'm adding about 2 heaped tablespoons dried mint, and about a tablespoon not so heaped, if it is hot, pul biber, red pepper flakes. I also drizzled some more olive oil. Right before the serving time, you can reheat the onion mixture and add to your soup. Lightly stir and it is ready to serve. It came out really rich and delicious, my friends. Has very easy 3 steps. You just boil the legumes, saute some onion and mix the egg and yogurt mixture and comes together. If you love using yogurt in your soups, I have 3 more Turkish classic yogurt soup recipes on my archive. The first one is yayla çorbası, yogurt soup with rice and mint sauce. This is very classic and simple. This time I only boil some rice with water, and for the thickening sauce, again I have thick yogurt, flour and egg. Same technique. After warming the mixture with some hot water, you put back to the rice and cook until it thickens. The butter and mint sauce is must-have for yogurt soups. I served this light soup with beautiful southeastern part kebab, belen tava, bulgur pilav and a salad. The second one is lebeniye çorbası. It is kind of a rich version of yayla soup. Along with thick yogurt base, it has rice, chickpeas and small köfte balls in the soup. You can simply make the köfte mixture in the food processor with some onion, spices and mincemeat. Add cooked chickpeas to the boiled rice, and while they are cooking, saute the köfte balls and add it to your soup. The binding yogurt sauce is same, has flour, eggs and yogurt. And we finish again with dried mint butter sauce. For the full recipe, check the links down below. And the final yogurt recipe is ayran aşı, cold yogurt soup. This is my favorite during hot summer times. In this version, we boil pearl barley or cracked wheat barley after it is soaked in the water until soft. Then what I do is I put it in a container and keep it in the fridge ready to make my soup. Just add to your bowl about 2 full tablespoons with thick, beautiful yogurt. Diluted it with some water, add some salt and dried mint. This time we're not gonna saute. You can add cooked chickpeas or corn kernels on top and it is ready. Very simple, very delicious. So my friends, I hope you give them a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give thumbs up and leave your comments. Check the links for the recipes and more. Stay tuned and stay safe. I hope to see you next time. Afiyet olsun.